My name is Emma and I'm the Chef of Aquavit in New York, and I'm gonna show you how to make Kladdkaka, which is a Swedish sticky chocolate cake. To do this, very simple. We need some butter, sugar, flour, cocoa powder, chocolate, eggs. That's it. So we're gonna start and melt the butter. And we can take the flour and we can take the cocoa powder. Butter is melted. All right, chocolate. Grab our bowl, the eggs and the sugar. All right, that's all that needs to happen. I'm gonna take the flour and the cocoa powder. I don't want to get dirty. That's all we gotta have to do. Now we're gonna add our chocolate and our butter. Let's fold that in. All right, this is it. I have my tiny little ring mold. I sprayed it with a little bit of fat. And the trick with this cake is we are gonna underbake it a little bit. Gonna keep an eye on it as a hawk. All right, so I'm gonna put this in the oven. Now we'll check back, cut it, plate it, taste it. Cake is out of the oven, around 22 minutes. This is how it looks. All right, so we're gonna take this out, slice right off. I am gonna cut myself a small piece, some whipped cream, that's what we do. This is so cute. And then I love berries. They are the best. They're sweet enough, they're nutritious. I'm gonna add extra berries. This is gonna be my cake. Well, thank you for watching. Please enjoy. Make this at home. Hit me up on Instagram. Show me pictures. I'm looking forward to see it.